As Bitcoin is traded against other cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, Satoshi is used as a subdivision of Bitcoin. It represents 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. To understand the need for such great precision, consider the following example. Momentarily, Dogecoin is worth 0.0000040 Bitcoins. I think you can see where this is going. Instead of saying that long phone number, you can simply say 40 Satoshi. In the next and final lesson, we'll be taking a look at the evolution of money as we know it. If you're looking for a more advanced explanation, enroll now and gain access to all the educational resources available on our platform.